Hello guys, it's TGnology. So we are in the new challenge, Mirror Mini Challenge, where you have to score 6 wins in order to get the Prince card and you get obviously coins in the midway. So I'm already at 4 wins and by the way 2 losses due to unfortunate moments. But this challenge is the most balanced challenge I've ever seen, and I'm going to give you the top 2 tips, or you can say 3 tips, in order to win every mirror mini battle. So let's get on to the battle. Just I want to show you how it's gonna go. So first tip is make your opponent play first, or if you have any tanky card you can play first. So I'm starting with the Lava Hound here. I just want to see how he reacts. Okay, there's the Royal Ghost, and I'm going to defend it with the Royal Ghost. So remember the first tip guys, the first tip is make your opponent start first, always, unless you have like a tanky card like Sparky, which you would start at the behind always, or any other. Don't make a push first, always try to defend first, because you have to know what you need to counter, because you and my opponent has the same deck in this challenge and is the most balanced challenge. So the tip is, first you must know how to counter your own deck, and obviously how to use a mirror perfectly. So I just almost destroyed him right now. And okay, Ghost and Electro Wizard, yeah, that would do it. Okay, his Ghost is getting destroyed by my Ghost and Evis, and I'm just gonna Skelly Barrel. Okay, it's the most balanced gameplay CR has ever released, because there's no level requirements, nothing is required. It's just your tactics and skills. So Giant Snowball, push. Okay, so I just took a tower, so I'm going to probably go into an offense mode to take the second tower. Okay, I don't have any good counters for the Skelly Barrel. So we are just going to go ahead and push the second tower, because he's definitely going to take the first tower. Okay, Lava Hound? That's not a defense. Okay, he may not have any good cards in cycle. It's okay. Oh, the Inferno Dragon has just destroyed the Lava Hound, and his Inferno Dragon is getting wrecked completely by my Evis. Okay, I took the second tower also, and my Lava Hound is still alive. Okay, Lava Pups, do your job. Evis, obviously, he's gonna take the tower. I just have to Evis that and defend it. Okay, I'm just gonna win this, obviously. So guys, the first tip now the second tip I'm just gonna say, but before that I just want to show you the stats after completing this match. You can't do anything, just give up. Okay, so we won the match. The first tip is make your opponent play first. The second tip is you must know how to exactly counter your opponent. Like, you must be perfectly sure, like your deck and what your opponent deck perfectly. So you must keep your cards ready for countering your opponent's cards, because everything is same. So you must have efficiently used your elixir to make a positive elixir trade. Thus you can win a match. So let's head on to the last match. If we lose this, we are gonna die, or else we are gonna get the Prince card. So remember these 2 tips. Make your elixir count, each elixir count, as well as know the counter. So make your enemy start first. Okay, so Royal Giant, so P.E.K.K.A, immediately, it's a counter. So learn the counters of the decks first. There are only like 4 standard decks which is being in mirror deck, like one with the Night Witch and one with the P.E.K.K.A and this deck, and the other is like, even Prince Bait is also there, I think so. But Prince Bait does not have mirror, right? No. Okay, so I'm gonna take the tower. The P.E.K.K.A connects and we win the match, obviously. This match is also won. I can say, just like that I can say. The P.E.K.K.A is still alive. Let's flex the mode. So I'm just gonna take the Royal Giant, I'm gonna take a lead, and I'm just gonna take the second tower, because I know that he is low on elixir, because he just he just used the executioner in 5 elixir count. So see, he just used the heal spirit in order to defend my wall breakers, but that was not enough. Okay, I'm going to take executioner into action. Executioner was executioner. Okay, so his second tower is in 360. So sad. Okay, the Royal Ghost will eventually kill my executioner. Okay, P.E.K.K.A. the P.E.K.K.A. for... Okay, I can't do anything. I don't have elixir. I just used my P.E.K.K.A. to defend it. So P.E.K.K.A. versus P.E.K.K.A. who wins? Okay, both the wall breakers officers are connecting with mine. I don't have a good card, so I'm not just gonna play the ghost. So my first tower is all... It's gonna die, obviously it's gonna die. So wall breaker it. Executioner that. Good. And snowball that. Know the perfect counters, guys. Know the perfect counter. And save elixir efficiently. Mirror. It's a mirror battle, dude. You just have to do what's the perfect play. It's similar to the main battle, obviously, but you both have the same deck, and it depends. It badly depends on his skill. I'm just gonna ignore that. Okay, we won the match. So as I said, guys, only 3 tips. Number 1, make your enemy start first. Number 2, know the counters of your opponent. Number 3, use your elixir very efficiently. If you play a single wrong move, you're dead. So we got the Prince. Okay, the upcoming 2 battles are there, guys. 2v2 Prince Draft Challenge as well as the Mega Deck Mini Challenge. In this, I'm just gonna win a Prince card, Prince card, Prince card. And in the second challenge, obviously, Skeleton Dragons. Therefore, same stats, twin draft. It's a draft battle for Prince, and it's going to be a Mega Deck Challenge for the Skeleton Dragons. So, see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.